Thinking about getting a heat pump? If you live in Ontario, 2025 and 2026 are the best years to install one, thanks to rebates that can take thousands off the cost. Ontario now has multiple heat pump rebate programs depending on your home and heating system. Most homeowners qualify through the Home Renovation Savings Program, which offers up to $7,500 for a cold climate air source heat pump, or up to $12,000 for a ground source system. If your home is heated with oil, there's also the Oil to Heat Pump Affordability Program, an income-based program that can provide up to $25,000 to switch from oil to a heat pump. Your current heating system determines how much you qualify for. Homes heated with electricity, oil, or propane usually receive the highest rebates. Gas-heated homes can still qualify by adding a heat pump to work alongside an existing furnace. To qualify for Ontario rebates, the system must be a cold climate heat pump designed to perform efficiently in freezing temperatures in Ontario winters. If you're considering a heat pump in Barrie or surrounding areas, understanding the rebates first can save you thousands. Choosing the right system from the start makes all the difference. Call Affordable Comfort today to speak with our heat pump experts and see which rebates your home qualifies for.